A ceiling fan is a great way to keep air circulating around your home all year round. A ceiling fan can be a cost-effective way to keep you cool in the warm seasons and draw heat in the cooler seasons. My name is Wayne with Mr. Handyman, and today we're going to be taking you through a few easy steps to replace an existing fan or light fixture with a new ceiling fan. Safety is very important when working with an electrical source. Be sure and turn off the breaker, test that it's off with a circuit tester, and always follow the owner's manual that came with the new fan. We first start by removing the existing fan or light fixture and checking the electrical box to ensure that it can support the new fan. You will want to install a mounting bracket to the box if one is not present. Next, you'll want to mount the fan to the bracket. Keep in mind some fans connect to a wall switch and some have a remote control, so you will wire the fan or remote if required. Now we'll install the bracket to the fan blades. Then we'll mount the blades to the fan. If your fan comes with a light, we'll need to install the light fixture to the fan. Now you are ready to test the fan and light operation. You'll want to make sure that the fan does not wobble and works on all speeds. You are now ready to sit back and enjoy your new fan. If you need help installing a ceiling fan or have a much larger project in mind, please call Mr. Handyman, your one-stop shop for all your home repair and remodeling projects.